Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1.
I'm pondering.
Oh Lord, yes. This is just so much. I don't think so. Does that work? Okay. Tutorial with Ebony.
Oh no, I got fries too. Would it be okay if we put them in like the oven or something?
I don't know what I want to say. Go, Tux. Go. Yeah, let's get that off. That's not cute. What should I do next?
Alright guys, make sure you subscribe, okay? We really appreciate it. Alright, share it with a friend. Okay? Thanks.
I love you. Oh God, you scared me. When is highlight gonna go away? I don't know. It's like I have a cotton man. Like a cotton man. He's like trying to get out of my throat. Cotton man.
It's even worse with braces. Like sometimes when I first got them, I just gave up on eating at several points.
I didn't like the way I said tutorial. Okay.
That took a lot longer than what I was expecting.
I don't know how to get this what's the name off. I had to pause it and then start it back again. That thing. So that wraps up the Get down!
I really gotta go to the bathroom.
Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Say hi, buddy. Oh, I love you.
Wait, what?
Babe. Aw, babe. I love you. Thank you, babe. Hey, babe.
Hey, bub!
Babe.
All right, babe.
Bye. Last take. Because I don't want to do this again.